Hey guys, iMAT here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update the DT Ultra 4 Pro to the latest version. Finally, the OS 26 update for this model is here. I have been waiting for it for about 1.5 months, and finally today DT No.1 company has announced it worldwide. In this video, I'll be showing you how to update it, and a full review of this new update is already available on iMAT Gadgets, so go there if you want to watch that. But before starting today's video, if you are new here, a subscribe would be highly appreciated. First of all, make sure that you are connected to a good internet connection and your smartphone as well as the smartwatch is charged at least 30%, since if the smartphone or the smartwatch dies during the update, then it can break the software. So let's go ahead and open the Wear Pro application. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you can scan this QR code to download it and then you can connect your smartwatch with it. Let's go to the devices tab. So let's go all the way down. Here is the firmware version. If you go back and go to settings, general and about, previously we were running the version 1.63.72. the latest update starts with 1.7. so if you are still getting the 1.6 update, then wait a few days, it will be available for you as well. Because DT announced it quite earlier and said that the update is available, but then I told them that it is still not showing the update and I am still seeing the 1.6 version. That's when they said that the engineers are pushing the update to be available worldwide. So finally it's available for me. Let's go ahead and tap on update immediately, and then it is going to download the update in the background, and in a few seconds the downloading process will start, and once it finishes downloading the new update, it's going to install it on my DT Ultra 4 Pro. So here you can see that it has now started to download the firmware update. Let's wait for it to finish the process. I'll be back to you once it's done. So the new upgrade has been downloaded, and as you can see here, firmware upgrade successfully and the new version is shown here. Let's get started. I'm going to choose the language and let's skip this step since my smartwatch is already paired with the smartphone. Here you can see that. So first of all, let's go ahead and go to settings, then general and about. And as you can see, now I am running version 1.76.16, which is the latest for the DT Ultra 4 Pro and comes with the all new features of the new display, the new always on display option, then a new theme in the menu as well as many other options like this. If you're interested in checking out all other features in this new version, then I've already dropped the full review of this update on iMAT Gadgets, which is linked in the description box below. So make sure you check that out. And if this video helped you out, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. And if you face any issue, let me know about that in the comments. I will see you in the next one.